Good morning, all of you. As you all know, we had started with the seventh chapter of science, Getting to Know Plants. And in the previous class, we had discussed about some part of this chapter. We had come to know what are herbs, what are shrubs, what are trees. Today, we will be studying further related to this. We will be understanding what are herbs, what are shrubs, and what are trees. And then we'll be understanding what are climbers and what are creepers. We will also study some examples related to this chapter. So let us move further. So herbs. As you know, we have seen many trees around us, and in the previous class we had tried to classify them as herbs. So what are the importance of herbs? Herbs have green and tender stems. They are short and do not have many branches. These are the importance of herbs. We had studied in the previous class with the help of examples, but today further we will discuss related to all their characters. So herbs have green and tender stems. They are very short and they do not have many branches. That is the character of herbs. Now what are shrubs? You can see some pictures on your screen, right? So you can see they are having a bit hard stem. They are short. Their stem is not thick. Their stem branches out at the base. They look very bushy, right? You can see in the park when you go to the gardens and all those places. You can see these kind of bushy plant. They look very attractive because of their bushy type nature. Their stems are hard. If you try to see one stem, okay, or one flower, you find out that the stem is hard. They are very short. So their stem, it branches out at the base. From base itself, the branching will start. What are trees now? Trees, I think most of you can classify and understand very well. So the trees have hard and thick brown stems. They are tall and they are having many branches. So their branching, it starts above the ground. That is the importance of these trees. Okay. So old trees, till we can see in many places. There are old trees. They survive lot. Okay. If they are not affected by wind and such kind of factors, they will survive a lot. So plants. Plants, in the plant kingdom, we can classify the plants as herbs, shrubs and trees. So how can we classify the plants? We can classify the plants as herbs, shrubs and trees. Herbs are smaller, shrubs are comparatively bigger and trees are the bigger compared to these herbs and shrubs. So next we will just study what are creepers. Creepers is not a part of this classification of plants, yet some plants we call them as the creepers. Creepers have weak and tender stems. They cannot stand upright. They spread on the ground. Their stem is weak and it is very tender. Because of this what? Their fruits are heavy and so they cannot stand on the ground. So what they do? They spread on the ground. You can see some pictures of pumpkin, watermelon, okay, all this what? They are actually, the fruit is very big and the plant, it is very soft, its stems are very weak and tender. So what happened? They spread on the ground. Such plant we call them as the creepers. That is, they are creeping. When they are growing, they creep and grow. So we call them as the creepers. Next you can see climbers. So what are the importance of climbers? Climbers are having weak and tender stems. They take the support of the neighboring structures. They climb up. Not necessary that for a climber it should have a ground only or the next by plant only. No, it can climb over walls. Okay, it can climb over a different kind of arches and like that structure. Okay, so that's why they're named climbers. They can climb well. They take the support of other neighboring structures for climbing. That's why we call them as climbers. Okay. You can see many examples of these climbers itself around you, right? Next, just let us list some example of herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, and climbers. We studied what are herbs, we studied what are shrubs, we studied what are trees, we studied creepers, and we studied climbers. Now it is important to list some examples related to this because examples are very important. So just let us discuss some of the examples. So herbs you can see wheat, paddy, cabbage, tomato. Okay, all these we call them as a herbs. Why? Because their stem is very tender. Okay, and much branching is not there in their case. So that's why what happened? We call them as the herbs. So best example like wheat, paddy, cabbage, tomato, right? These are the best examples. Shrubs. Shrubs you can see little bit their stem is thick, right? And their branching it will start at the base. So you can see some best example like rose, jasmine, lemon, right? So these are the example of shrubs. Then you can see the trees. Trees you can give a lot of examples. Mango, neem, jackfruit, teak. Okay, so many are there, right? Creepers. Creepers you can see. I told you that the creepers, right? Their stem is very thin and delicate. That's why what happened? They creep on the ground. So you can see pumpkin, watermelon, sweet potato, right? All these are example of the creepers. They will grow creeping on the ground. They are creeping. That's why we call them as the creepers. Then you can see the climbers. These climbers will be climbing to any support which they are getting. Okay. So they include the cucumber, beans, money plant. They can climb up over roofs, right? Over trees. So that's why we use them for decorative purposes also. Okay. Ornamental climbers. Okay. Ornamental plants, herbs. Okay. So such kind of things we are using for decorative purposes. Okay. It looks beautiful when they climb. So these are the examples of herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. You should also remember the examples along with the characters of these plants. Okay. So it is important to remember the examples because unless and until you give the example, your answer cannot be considered as correct. Right? So these are one of the few examples of we can find, and hence you can understand that plant kingdom, plants, mainly they are divided into herbs, shrubs and trees, and also separately we divide depending upon the strength of the stem, we divide them as climbers and creepers, right? So with this we are coming to the end of today's class, today's YouTube class, and so I hope you understood this, and this is what we will be discussing even further today in today's class. Okay, so waiting for you in the online class. Thank you.